So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to use the DHT22 temperature and the humidity sensor with the help of Walkie platform. With the help of this Walkie platform guys, you can use the virtually all projects. So before getting started, first I have to go to my Arduino code. So guys, in this code, first time we are using this one library. So you have only this one library. This library also I will provide you in my GitHub page. And I will tell you what are the things we are going to print in this one. And here, temperature and humidity. Two things are we are going to print here. And which one pin? Pin number 8 we are using. So I will show you the live demonstration of our this one sensor with the Arduino Nano. So now I'm going to the Walkie platform. First we have to go to the in this Arduino. Then Arduino in downside some empty scratches are there. You have to go in this scratch Arduino Nano. I'll show you the guys how to make a connection this one. Now you have to go search here DHT22. So you have to follow this all steps guys. So VCC. VCC you have to connect with the 5 volt. Another pin is this one is the SDA, means data pin. Data pin I'm connecting with the 8 pin. So I have to connect with the pin number 8. Pin number. This one is the pin number 8. NC mean non-connected. This pin number 3 is the no requirement. I have connected here. So now I'm going to this. Already I created this project. So here I already put it the everything code. And before starting, I have to go this another in this library manager. I have to select this library. This path I have to copy for the library DHT. Otherwise, you can use here this DHT live. So just you have to go here DHT. See this one library you can use. First you have to select this one, then it will add here automatically. Then after doing this, making this connection, everything and uploading the code here, just you have to click on the simulation button. Then you have to wait for this compiling the code. Then it will now you can see here guys, automatically it is generating the some raw values. See, as we are doing this project in the virtually, so these values are not accurate. Maybe it will be like a raw values. If you will connect this all this thing with the Arduino Nano with the real sensor, so it will give you the actual value, whatever based on your nearby environment. So here we are seeing a temperature 24 degree it is showing in Farad also it is showing, and humidity also it is showing here. So guys, I want to show you this sensor image of this how it is looking like. This one is our sensor pin group, and here 4 pins are there: VCC, data, NC, and ground. Through pin number 3 we no need to use. Only pin number 1, 2, and 4 we required to generate the data for this one. Like this you can make your so many projects on the virtually. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.